again, Animoji unboxing. So this is the video that I just recently recorded in the same day. So I basically have some unintentional free time, which probably gonna be a little longer than several two previous days. So yeah, it's basically I will able to create a longer live stream and also a good behavior recording at the same time. Perhaps I'm not sure, because I am actually already do some good behavior previously before I started to do this Animoji recording, because yeah, I just wanted to do more good behavior in this day, because I basically have more free times, even though yeah, I'm not sure whether I actually really have free time or not, because I just realized that I'm actually will most likely get interrupted in around 15 minutes, perhaps, I'm not sure, because on the two previous day I basically got interrupted at those approximate times. So, yeah, the things that I basically try to unbox is basically just a package from overseas. So there is 3 package, which is the same exact Apple Watch silicone for my latest Apple Watch, but yeah, I just didn't realize that the first one is actually have the front cover as well, so it's actually the same exact thing. And the second one is actually for my Apple Watch, which I tried to buy it again because I'm just too lazy to find the things that I already bought in the past. The last one is actually the most unnecessary one. It's actually some sort of sticker cover for the AirPods, which probably is for any kind of AirPods if I'm not mistaken. So I just wondered why it's kind of like does cover but in the form of sticker, which I just couldn't understand why it just can happen to be like that. Maybe because it's technically have a glossy finish, perhaps that's basically even dust to stick around one of those glossy finish, or it should be matte finish, which is probably gonna be better for dust, for preventing dust. And the last package is actually come from my favorite e-commerce, the second favorite e-commerce for marketplace that I just only wanted to utilize its free shipping, which is obviously much bigger than my favorite e-commerce, but the things that I basically wanted to buy is usually on this favorite e-commerce instead, on the first favorite e-commerce instead, because yeah, I usually top up the e-wallet or the e-money that can be used on this favorite marketplace instead of the second favorite marketplace. So the things that I bought is actually a bento box that is kind of like metal, so it's inspired from Korean drama, perhaps, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's all of this video. Thank you.